Hi, it's Tasha with WTA.
With these dryer balls, I get perfectly dried clothing. They separate all the clothes in the dryer while they're moving around, and it actually helps the drying time to dry faster. They also reduce all the static off of my clothes without having to buy expensive dryer sheets. I can use them over and over again, and they never break down. They have been so wonderful in reducing the humidity that's already in the clothes so that my clothes dry quicker. I usually do 2 to 3 for a small to medium load, but you can add up to 5 or 6 if you would like to for a larger load. I feel they're super durable. I also have noticed that there's less lint in my dryer that I have to clean out. When they're in there, they're not that noisy. They don't add any scents to my clothes. I just feel that this has been a really good investment in doing my laundry.
And that's my point of view.